Only 10% of people can solve this problem. Pause and try. Alrighty, have you got it? So the things we know is that we have a right triangle and the three sides are respectively x, y, and 10. The problem asks us to find the greatest value of 2x plus 3y. So if we want to try to find the value of x and y, it's impossible because they can have infinite values. According to the Pythagoras theorem, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to the longest side of the right triangle, which is 10 squared. Which is 100. If you look at x squared plus y squared, it does not look exactly like 2x plus 3y. So we want to move them closer to each other. X has a second power and y has a second power. How can move x and y in this expression to have the second power too? Yes, we can raise this whole thing to its second power. 2x plus 3y raised to the second power. And then let's unpack it. 4x squared and then 9y squared plus 12xy. That's a perfect square formula. All right, now we're still kind of far away from this thing because you have a 4 over here and then you have a 9 over here. You cannot basically factorize out and get an x squared plus y squared. How do we do that? We can reconstruct the right side. We can add 9 more x squared and plus 9y squared and 4 more y squared. Now we have 13x squared and 13y squared. 13x squared plus y squared. And then we still have a 12xy. We can just take it away by subtracting 12xy. All right. So what we have done on the right side should be done to the left side. We have added 9x squared and 4y squared, and we have taken away 12xy. Same thing to the left side. We add a 9x squared plus a 9y squared and taking a 12xy away. So now the left side would turn into something like 2x plus 3y squared plus what is this thing? The perfect square formula, right? Actually is 3x minus, oh, it's a 4y. Oh, sorry, that's a careless copying mistake. So 3x minus 2y squared is equal to the right side, 12xy and the 12xy are cancelled. So you have 13x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared is just 100. So this whole thing is equal to 1300. Now we can isolate the value that we want to get on the left side. So 2x plus 3y squared is equal to 1300 minus 3x minus 2y squared. This whole thing over here squared has to be either 0 or bigger than 0. So when it's 0, the right side has the biggest value. So the biggest value for the left side is 1300. And then the biggest value for 2x plus 3y is square root of 1300, which is 10 times square root of 13. If you enjoyed today's problem, please like, follow, and leave your comments. I'll see you guys next time.